This is the shit they do all night. Salem, do you want to stop eating that box, please? All fucking night. Salem, stop it. I gotta pick that shit up. Salem, stop. Here comes Callie. Fucking Callie girl. Salem, do you mind? Salem, stop eating that fucking box. Salem. Salem. Don't eat the fucking box. Salem. I gotta pick this motherfucker up, but whatever. Callie's like, what you do to the box? I want to eat the box. Callie. All fucking night. And now she's going to find something else to fuck up. He'll hear it in 2 seconds and be like, yep, see, there he goes. What's she done? She'll start fucking something else up in there. He'll run in, she'll jump on him, they'll rip the beads down. Callie. Look at her. Hi, Daddy. Callie. Hi, Daddy. It's my girl. See, she bugs the fuck out. Stop looking at me. Salem. Who's my baby? Salem cat.